Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Code in the Scratchblocks, and I'm Zoris, and today I'm just going to show you the something that I added to my project called Get the Points Through the Edges number 1. So as you remember from the last tutorial I coded the Scratch Cat, but as an intro I decided that I could add some speech. So it's optional for you. I just did it for my own good. So if you want to add speech, so you could click over here and then you will click text to speech. Then it will just appear here. Then you have to set the language to English. You can set the voice to whoever you want as experiment. Then you can just save whoever you wanted to speak. So that is really what I wanted to talk about. Remember to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more Scratch content, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!